Hello, this is my Module 2 reflection video. For the first question, I don't have any recent situations with installing apps or anything like that. I did have to, I'm using like a screencast-o-matic, and last time I used this, I was not sure how to run it or save my video or anything like that. So we'll see how that goes. But I don't install a lot of things on my laptop just because I don't really know a lot about laptops and I don't want any viruses and I don't know who to trust and what to trust. So I don't usually do a lot of things on my laptop. I don't really download apps on my phone either because all the apps I need are already on there and they come with the iPhone. So yeah, I've never created a PDF before until today in class when I didn't even know you could save something as a PDF. So I guess I really didn't know how teachers ever did that, but now I do know. And they can be very useful for teachers. So if you want to share something with them and you don't want them to edit it, and so then you send it and you can't edit a PDF, but you can still print and scroll and see all the information that you need to see. And so I think it's very useful, and I think it's probably better than a Word document when sharing stuff with your students. So then nothing gets switched around or there's no problems. I have never used, well, okay, I have used a webcam before, but I didn't know how to save it, and so I don't know how I figured it out. But I did somehow because I have videos on YouTube that I've had to post for my previous education courses, so we'll see how this one goes. And last time I did a webcam recording, I recorded it for like 5 minutes and then I didn't know where it was, so I had to redo it on a different thing and figure it out myself. So maybe I need to look more into that and how to do it. But so yes, I did have challenges in doing that, and I probably will with this too, but I'll figure it out. I think video recordings are very useful when you're going to be a teacher in the future, or when I'll be a teacher in the future, because say something crazy happens like right now when we're in a pandemic and people need to know how to use technology, because in today's society, technological advances are always occurring. And so I feel like no matter what age you are, if you're an educator, I feel like you should at least know the basics of using your computer and finding video recordings and stuff. Especially in elementary, I feel like it's very important to still connect with your kids if you have to be online for some reason, or if there's a reason that they have to be at home. It's a good way for them to still feel like they're connected and feel like they're in the classroom through a video recording. And so, yes, I think that's very useful. And I also think it's useful because you can rewind it and watch it and stuff like that. And so with like a PDF, no one wants to go through and read it and read it and read it. But if you just have like a video recording that's only like 5 to 10 minutes, I feel like it's way easier to pause it, listen to all the instructions, and follow along with stuff like that. So I feel like it's easier in that way.